Welcome to Morrow High School, home of the Mustangs. My name is Dr. Pamela Pitts, and I'm the proud principal of Morrow High School. You are now a part of a great school with strong traditions and a proud past. One of the strengths of our school is its diversity. You will have the opportunity to meet people from many cultures and ethnic groups. Be ready to face new experiences, meet new people, and make new friends. You will find the staff to be respectful, supportive, and willing to help the students with academics as well as social concerns because at Morrow, we care about you. Let us work together to achieve the success you deserve as a student member of Morrow High School. At Morrow High School, let's work together in a spirit of excellence without excuses. Again, welcome to Morrow High School.
Hello, my name is Simone Wilson Hunt, and I'm one of the assistant principals here at Morrow High School. I also have the privilege of being over Morrow High School Magnet Program, as well as the 11th grade student body. If you need anything from me, please don't hesitate to drop me a line at simone.wilson-hunt@clayton.k12.ga.us. Yes, that was a mouthful. Please give me a call or drop me an email if you need anything. Thank you.
Hello, Mustang family. Welcome to the 2022-2023 school year. My name is Bernadette McAdam. I'm one of the assistant principals at Morrow High School. I'm responsible for student discipline, as well as safety and security, and our technology requests. I'm also in charge of the English department, the ESOL department, and the science department, and any other responsibilities that our principal sees fit. If you need to reach me, my cell phone number is 404-617-8872, and my email is bernadette.mcadam@clayton.k12.ga.us. I look forward to having a fantastic year with our Mustangs at our new Morrow High School.
My name is Hardy Watkins, Assistant Principal, Morrow High School. I supervise the CTAE and Social Studies departments. I also manage building operations. I'm also responsible for 12th grade discipline. Welcome to Morrow High School. I look forward to an exciting school year.
Hello, Mustang family. My name is Coach Creswell Foy. I'm the athletic director. And if your child wants to participate in any athletic team, first, they will need a current physical. Next, you can contact me after you get that physical at creswell.foy@clayton.k12.ga.us. I look forward to seeing you and your child.
Hello, we are the Morrow High School Counseling Team. We are here to assist you with academic planning, post-high school college and career readiness, and navigating your journey to adulthood. I am Ms. Jenkins. I serve students grades 9 through 12, last names A through D.
Hey, I'm Miss Carell. I serve students in grades 9 through 12 with the last names E through K.
Hi, I am Mrs. White, and I am one of the counselors here at Morrow High School. I serve students grades 9 through 12 with the last names beginning with letters L through Q.
Welcome to Morrow High School. I am Dr. Pope. I serve students in grades 9 through 12 with last names R through Z. Welcome. I look forward to working with you.
Greetings, I am Mr. Williams, the 9th grade repeater counselor, 504 chair, and credit recovery site facilitator. I look forward to working with you throughout the school year.
My name is Mr. Clifton. I'm your student engagement specialist, and I look forward to working with you and your students throughout the school year.
Hello, my name is Liza Ray, and I'm the parent liaison, and I look forward to working with you as a parent and the students.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Diop, your Communities and Schools Site Coordinator, and I look forward to working with you and your scholar this school year.